Hello, good morning. Let's have a morning routine or morning run here in our place. It's very foggy. I'm almost done of my 5 kilometers run. Consistency is the key, but it's almost 1 week na hindi tayo nakapagtakbo and nababawasan yung lakas. Not necessarily naman na back to zero, but talagang naramdaman pag hindi natin ituloy-tuloy yung mga ginagawa natin. So again, in our physical fitness activity, we must be consistent, and health is also follow physical and mental health. So sa mga hindi pa nakapag start dyan or naputol yung physical activity nyo, balik tayo. And again, if you want to become wealthy, you have to become healthy first. Yes, to become healthy there is no assurance, because even our favorite doctor, Doc Willie Ong, is not being assured of his health. That's why we are here to serve our purpose and be happy with what we are doing, and manage our stress through this activity. Bye bye.